Hello students, welcome back to my channel NJ Math World. Today I am here to solve the question paper of first semester BCA May-June 2022 Mathematical Foundation question number 14. Find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the matrix A is 5 4 1 2. So here given A is 5 4 1 2. So to find the eigenvalues and eigenvector, we need to write the characteristic equation of the matrix A. So the characteristic equation of A is mod of A minus lambda I equals 0. So here we have to find A minus lambda I equals 0. So here A is 5 4 1 2 minus lambda I. I is identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 1 equals 0. So now we have to write in the determinant form, that will be 5 4 1 2 minus lambda, multiply inside we get lambda 0 0 lambda. So here we need to write them with the subtraction, that will be 5 minus lambda, first term sign first term, then second term 4 minus 0 will be 4, 1 minus 0 will be 1, 2 minus lambda will be 2 minus lambda equals 0. So this is your characteristic equation of the given matrix A. So now we need to find the value for lambda. So we will be simplifying the determinant, that is 5 minus lambda cross multiplication into 2 minus lambda. So always minus sign is there when we are multiplying the determinant. So it is 1 into 4 will be 4 equals 0. So here we'll be taking first term with second bracket, second term with second bracket. Easy way of simplifying algebraic terms, minus 0 minus 4 equals 0. So here multiply 5 into 2 is 10 minus 5 into lambda is 5 lambda minus lambda into 2 is minus 2 lambda, minus into minus will become plus, lambda into lambda is lambda square, minus 4 equals 0. So by rearranging them we get lambda square minus 5 minus 2 will give us minus 7 lambda, plus 10 minus 4 will give us plus 6 equals 0. So we need to find the lambda value. So to find lambda value, we got the equation as lambda square minus 7 lambda plus 6. So yeah, find the characteristic equation of 6 lambda square. So to lay 6 goes in 6 into 1. 6 ones are 6. When you multiply, we should get this number. When you add, we should get the center number. That will be minus 6 minus 1 will give us minus 7. So here we can write it directly, lambda minus 6 and lambda minus 1 equals 0. So now we got lambda minus 6 and lambda minus 1 equals 0. So here we'll separate them, lambda minus 6 is 0, lambda minus 1 is 0. So here lambda will be 6. If negative sign goes other side become positive, and lambda minus 1 goes other side become plus 1. So these are the two values what we get for lambda. Therefore the eigen eigen values are 6 and 1, or you can write 1 and 6. So now we have found the eigenvalues. Now we'll move on to find the eigenvectors. To find eigenvector, to find eigenvector vectors. Okay. What we need to do is we'll be writing the the characteristic characteristic equation characteristic equation matrix equation characteristic matrix equation. Okay, so what is my characteristic matrix equation? It is a minus lambda I into x equals 0. That is nothing but a is a minus lambda is 5 minus lambda, 4, 1, 2 minus lambda. X is nothing but since we have two rows, we'll write it as x and y equals 0. Now we need to do the multiplication of matrix here. So we'll be doing multiplication of matrix. That will be first row we will be multiplying with first column. That will be 5 minus lambda into x. Then it will be no sign, it is plus. Plus into plus will be plus. 4 into y will be 4y equals 0. Then we'll go with the second line, that is second row, first column will multiply. 1 into x is x, then no sign, it is plus. Plus into plus will be plus. 2 minus lambda into y equals 0. So now we got the equation 1 and we got the equation 2. So now we will be substituting the value of lambda in these two equations to find the eigenvectors. So let me substitute. If lambda is equals to 1, substitute in the above equation, we get 5 minus 1 into x plus 4y equals 0. That will be 4x plus 4y equals 0. So here we got 4x plus 4y equals 0. 4x plus 4y equals 0. So now dividing through order by 4, we get 4 by 4. So here when you divide 4 by 4, it is x, and 4 by 4 it is y equals 0. So if I send x plus y 0, if I send x other side, y other side, it becomes x is equals to minus y. So we have to check with the denominator. So we have here, it is x1 will be, that is the first eigenvector will be 1 and minus 1 is the eigenvector corresponding to lambda is equals to 1. You can check with the second equation also, you will get the same answer. If you take the second equation and check with the same, if I get x plus 2 minus lambda y is equals to 0, and if I take lambda is equals to 1, x plus 2 minus 1 into y equals 0, so x plus y is 0. So if I take y other side, I take a minus 1. So we get the same answer. Whichever equation you want, you can substitute in either in 1 or in 2. Then we'll move with the second eigenvector, that will be case 2. Case 2 is if lambda is equals to 6. So it is 5 minus 6x plus 4 into y is 0. So here minus x plus 4y is equals to 0. So divided by 4, we get minus x divided by minus 4 plus 4 by 4 will be 1, that will be 4 it will be 1 equals 0. Now you send this plus other side, we get x by minus 4 is equals to minus y by 1. So this minus and minus get cancelled. So x2 will be 4 comma, that is 4 and 1 is the eigen vector, eigenvectors corresponding to lambda is equals to 6. So this will be the solution. Hope you people understood how to find the eigenvalue and eigenvector. For anything else, you can write and share in the comment box. Definitely will reach to you. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching.